Hey guys, thank you for watching another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. Today I will be doing an eat and chat with me video, which is called a mukbang. And for my mukbang, we will be eating tacos. So that's what I will be making right now. So I will show you guys how to make the tacos, and then after the tacos are complete, we can begin to chat. Stay tuned. So here's the taco kit that I will be using. I have the nacho cheese and stuffed tacos. So the ground turkey has browned completely. So next up I will be adding the chili powder, and you can also use ground beef if you prefer instead of ground turkey. So next I will be placing my tacos in the oven, and I will show you guys what I used to top my tacos with. Okay, so let's place our tacos in the oven. Stay tuned. So this is what I put on my tacos. I have some mild salsa, light sour cream, and spinach. I am not a fan of lettuce, guys, so that is why I am using spinach instead, which is also much healthier. And we have our tacos, so let's begin our mukbang. So I put the salsa on right after the ground turkey. And sour cream. So, just like everyone else in America, I have been staying in my house, trying to keep my social distancing. I mean, I know this is a tough time for everyone. Today I got to do something that I have never done before. I got to Skype with my nephew, and he's only 10 years old, and we really enjoyed it. I mean, I got to talk to him on a different level. I got to know more things about him. He opened up to his auntie, and I just think that this is the time for everyone to start spending more time with their family, because usually Americans, we work a lot. We don't really get to spend that time with our family. So I would really take advantage of that and spend as much time as you can with your family, and you know, just make sure that your kids are not stressing or, you know, get into that depression because I know they can't go to school and they can't spend time and play with their friends. So, you know, they're gonna depend on their family, you know, for that time. And a lot of us have not been practicing the social distancing from what I've been seeing on the news. So this is causing the spread to spread so rapidly. I highly recommend that you guys follow the guidelines. I mean, like I stated earlier, you know, I know you want to go out and see your friends and spend time with them, but you know, there's Skype or, you know, any type of FaceTiming. I mean, you can use Google Duo, like whatever. Just, you know, make sure you guys stay safe. So that's the end of this video. I do not want to hold you guys too long. I will see you next time on the next video, and give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, if you would like me to do more videos like this, please let me know, and I will be posting more videos for you guys like this. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chantel's Home Cooking. Also, check out my food blog, tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com. And thank you all for watching, and you all have a blessed day, and I will see you next time. Bye.